Physio Radiance Visage Plus facial device. The evolution of beauty. How to use Visage Plus. To turn on the device, press and hold the Mode M button. Press it again to then switch between modes. C. Cleansing. Be sure to use the Physio Radiance Visage Plus Purifying Gel with this mode. M. Moisturizing. R. Radiance Inducing. L. Lifting. Press L to switch the colors. Pick the light that best suits your skin type. Red light improves firmness, stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, increases blood circulation. Blue light improves acne and prevents breakouts, calms skin by reducing excessive sebum. Green light reduces skin pigmentation, brightens skin, reduces fine lines. Yellow light smoothens skin, reduces redness. Make sure all 4 chrome pads are always touching your skin. USB charging port. For optimal results, we recommend using the device 2 to 3 times a week. With Visage Plus, start glowing now.